The Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook, the Crafting Nook.
Hello to all my crafty creators. How y'all doing? Like, it is so early in the morning. It's like 5 a.m. in the morning, y'all. I did this yesterday, which was Friday before the live, and this is the inlay piece, so we're gonna see what it turned out to be like. So while I'm taking it out, I will tell you that I've used Resin Expressions Midnight Black, okay, and I've used ResinChameleon powder in the violet, and there's one that Miss Catherine sent me a while ago. This is like a chameleon color, interference type chameleon color. I don't know which way to put it, but I don't know the name of it. It wasn't in a box or anything, but she gave me several of them, and so this is my first time using it, so I'm gonna be surprised. I'm gonna be surprised. Okay, y'all, don't laugh now. Oh, that's cute. It's cute so far. Now to see how my inlay did. Oh my. Oh my. Can I get it out? Okay. 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 It did pretty good. Now, I just threw some, what do you call that stuff? Let me see. It's called, it's by Resin Expressions. It was the Stardust Special Shimmer Effects. And I threw that in because I was like, let me just put something in there. Okay. It's not bad at all. Y'all, I didn't make a video because I was like, let me just do a trial to see what it's gonna look like. But it is cute. I ain't gonna complain about it. It's very different, isn't it? Now this color up in here, that's this color. Okay, the one that I don't know the name of. If you know Chinese, you can tell me, okay? And this one is the Let's Resin color here. And of course the black is the Midnight Black paste. And all of these are just like the Stardust. But I just threw it in there because when I was at the back, I was like, oh, just let me throw something back there. Because I really wanted to see how the Stardust effects would do. And y'all see the shimmer. Y'all see the shimmer. But look, y'all. It's very different. That's cute. It's cute. It'll work for me. So let me know what y'all think of that. From out of the inlay that I made. The inlay that I made. Yeah, let me know what you're thinking. Let me know your thoughts. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Maybe I should go around the edge with the silver since I got the silver there, but like I said, this was just a trial piece to see, you know, how it would come out. The leaves are pretty. The leaves are pretty. They did just nice. So I'm not gonna complain about it. But yeah, it's just a piece. Just a piece. Wanted to check it out, wanted to see how it would do. Want to try it maybe without the sparkle and another chameleon powder. want to try that and see how it does. Y'all, I just rushed and took the stuff right on off, didn't I? I did. Yeah, I did. I did. So, let me know your thoughts on it, y'all, because it is kind of cute now. Just need a little bit of work, but it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Especially with my painting. I used the painting with the, I used a Q-tip to paint my dry mica onto the, onto this, and also on the edges. So that's how I got that. But, like I said, let me know your thoughts and everything, and we'll go from there. But I will see you later. Bye.